first steps of my path started in 2006. I took 1 year off medical school to do a research year in immunology. I was very passionate about drug development and pharmacology, so I got involved in a preclinical project with a new anti-inflammatory drug, and from then on doors just kept on opening, and suddenly I was submerged in rheumatology. Now it's easy for me to see that it's the most fascinating specialty in medicine. We see people that are actually very affected with their disease, and we can actually help them. And seeing someone get better is really a privilege. So I also want to take this opportunity to talk to medical students and young doctors trying to choose a specialty. So if you're like me, very interested in actually seeing patients get better, maybe also counting cytokines and developing drugs for the future, then rheumatology is definitely a specialty for you. But also if you're interested in ultrasound, rheumatology is a specialty for you. If you're interested in joint injections, small procedures, rheumatology is a specialty for you. If you're interested in emergency hyperinflammatory syndromes, rheumatology is a specialty for you. So it's a very diverse field, and we would be very happy to welcome you. Our goals are very much aligned with the goals of EULAR, obviously. So we are here to increase understanding of rheumatic diseases and eventually help people living with RMDs. But obviously EMUNET is focused on the emerging rheumatologists and researchers. And in principle we have 3 aims. So one is education, one is fostering collaboration, and one is facilitating integration into EULAR. But basically, to achieve these aims, what we really do is to build and maintain a platform. And this is a platform for people to meet, people to discuss. It's a platform for people to learn new things and basically grow along the way. I think for EULAR to keep being relevant and being important, we need to be both dynamic and inclusive. So EULAR really has to both represent its members, but also bring value to its members. And I think EMUNET contributes mostly to the representation and inclusiveness. So there are so many ways to get involved with EMUNET. So EMUNET is collaborating with all the committees and subcommittees within EULAR. Our working hypothesis is if you start early, you'll get better in the end. So I will mention some of the activities that we do. So at the Congress, we have the research speed dating, we have all the EMUNET present sessions, the EULAR EMUNET quiz, there are the mentor-mentee meetings, the ambassador program, we have the networking event, and so on and so on. And also outside of the Congress, lots of activities going on. We have the webinars, we are all over the social media, we have the podcast, there are the win contributions on the website, and many other things. And we do lots of things together with the other committees. So hopefully in the end we will have young rheumatologists and researchers that actually know people from the other committees and subcommittees, so that they also see that it's not just about what their special interest is, but it's a bigger place, and they will also become better advocates for rheumatology. I actually spent 12 months of my life on something useful, and this was parental leave. So with our 2 kids, I spent a total of 11 months of parental leave, and it was the best thing I did with my life. I think it was also what prepared me for internal medicine and emergency medicine rotations. So I was really a master of sleep deprivation survival, multitasking, distractions, diplomatic negotiations. So every time things fail with the work, I at least think I did a fair job raising kids, and the other way around, I guess.